Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to be talking about this article right here from Tesla Roddy. Basically it's saying that the Tesla started to have the Quicksilver color in the United States. So originally these colors is only made for in Berlin, designed specifically. However, now for those of us who are in love with it, we can get these, and it comes in with the long range and also the performance. Okay, and you can get these in 19-inch and 20-inch wheel as well. And as you can see from here, inventory, we're actually going to go over to the Tesla inventory page, and so we see more of it. But this, according to this article, it says it's starting at $49,990, and let's see how many they have left in stocks, right? So as you can see here, you go down here, you can see that they have this Quicksilver added. If this one is not here, then the red will be up here. And as you can see right here, this is the long range one. So starting price is $49,990, and after tax credit, you're looking at about $42,490. And you can see right here, these are like pretty much, well, this one like who has 71 miles on it. This one has 0 miles, probably about less than 15. Most of the new ones are less than 15s. These are all long range. And on the bottom, you see there's two performance that you can buy right here. And it is at the highest one is $54,490. And this price is depending on, because sometimes the variations could be because one does come with the tow hitch and the other is not. I see. Other than that, everything's the same. So that's the $1,000 difference where it comes in. And for the other ones, maybe like it has a little bit more miles on it, or vice versa. Like this one right here has a tow hitch, yet it is cheaper than this one over here for some reason. I don't know. But you know, if you need to tow something, you can get it with the tow hitch. And here the hitch is all regular ones. Yeah. So if you're craving, if you're interested, or you're looking, or you longing for a Quicksilver color, you can get it right now on the inventory. So let's click onto one of the vehicles to see if it's near us. So this one, let's see, go all the way down to see full self-driving, $8,000, way cheaper than $12,000, right? All the warranty is still there. Oh my God, this one is actually, it's in West Covina. It's going to be arriving soon, so in transit to here. So if anybody's you live in nearby West Covina, guys, you guys can actually come by and check it out. So let's see the actual cash price for this and show it in details. So $47,990, so all-wheel drive model. The Quicksilver paint, $2,000. Gemini's, everything else is included. Subtotal come up $49,990 minus the federal tax credit $7,500, and don't look at the $6,000 gas savings. There, $40-something thousand. Destination fees $1,390 and order fees $250. So your Model Y is $51,000, and after the tax credit is $54,130. Right, and you can order it now. Just order with the card, or you can lease the vehicle if that's something that you're interested in. Your lease payment, look at this, $3,000 down, 36 months, 10,000 miles a year, and after 3 years, Tesla take back the vehicle because they don't allow you to buy off the lease. And your monthly payment is pretty cheap, $460 compared to what I pay. Or if you like to finance it, let's take a look at the financing. You're putting down 9% down, $4,500, and APR 6.39, and for 72 months, about $788. And if you get after the federal tax credit, they're coming about $684. And again, this is a lot cheaper than the time that I bought my car. So yes, that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. If you're longing for the Quicksilver, here it is. All right. If you like the video, feel free to give it a like, and if you love the content, make sure you subscribe for more Tesla news and EV news. Other than that, thank you. Take care. Until next time, be safe.